Hello, this is Dr. Blackman, and we're going to go over the microscopic bone model for anatomy and physiology. There are two main types of bones. As you can see here, this is the compact bone. It's made up of these individual subunits that we're going to discuss in a minute called osteons, which are packed very close together to create that compact bone. The other type of bone that you have, if you look here, this sort of gives the appearance of a sponge. This would be called spongy bone. Now, spongy bone does not contain osteons. It contains structures called trabeculae, which are these structures here. These are trabeculae. They sort of give the appearance of coral that you'd find in the ocean. The connective tissue layer that surrounds the bone is called the periosteum. And the periosteum is connected to the bone by these white fibers here, which are termed Sharpey's fibers. Going back to the compact bone here, again, these repeating subunits are called osteons. So here will be one osteon from here to here. Another osteon would be from here to here. This structure here, which gives the appearance of a wedding cake, is also an osteon, but it's pulled up from the other portion of the bone so that you can see it in 3 dimensions. The individual layers that make up the osteons are called lamellae. So here's one lamella, here's another lamella, here's another lamella, and another lamella here. And if we look at the osteon down in our model, they are the rings around this central region of the osteon. So here would be one lamella, a second lamella, a third lamella. There are 2 different types of canals present in the bone here. If you look at this blood vessel here, it runs in the center of the osteon. That would be called the central canal or the Haversian canal. This blood vessel here, which connects this osteon to this osteon, that would not be a central canal. That would be referred to as a perforating canal or Volkmann's canal. If we look over here in this osteon, you can see these structures that have the appearance of ants. Each of these ants is a cell, and the cell type is an osteocyte. These osteocytes have these little foot processes that extend from them in every direction. They look like the feet on the ants. Those structures are actually extensions of the cytoplasm coming from that cell, and those are called canaliculi. And if we look over here on this side of the model, these hollowed out regions within the compact bone, those are called lacunae. And those lacunae are important because the osteocytes get trapped in those lacunae over time. I also wanted to point out these structures over here. These 3 structures here are also lamellae. And again, they're pulled up from our bone model so that you can see them better in 3 dimensions. And those are the structures that you're responsible for on the microscopic bone model.